So, my teacher and I are playing my student teacher and we're playing Brookhaven. Okay, so I'm Tagalog intern because she's Tagalog and I'm Tagalog too. But some English, people will. Okay, so guys, some English people just Ate, bilisan mo, sinusundan tayo ng prinsesa. Okay, so some English people are just so naghihintay na lang na ikaw dumaan. Trapped in this very zone. I don't wanna wait. Nasaan si ma'am? La! Nawala na si ma'am! Ay, ayun pala. Bubugbugin ko kayo eh. Kala ko nawala na eh. Nag-leave na si ma'am? Hindi pa. Okay guys, punta tayo sa school. Bilisan mo. Pupunta ko dyan sa hospital. Dito na sa hospital. Bilisan mo dito sa school. Dito, buhat-buhat ko si ma'am. Buhat-buhat ko. Ay! Nag-jump si ma'am! Ika ma'am! Stay back. Back to school. Nandito si ma'am. Saan? Dito. Doon kami. Tinatry ako. Oy, boy, wag ka tumakas. Nag-aano lang ako So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I won't be able to do that much today. So bye.